22mm waterproof 185 push-button switches with freely replaceable symbols. The button head and the internal symbol sticker are detachable and replaceable. Place the suction cup on the button cover, squeeze it to expel the air inside so that it generates strong suction, then pull it outward. This will remove the cover. Customers can replace the sticker with different icon symbols according to their own needs. Put the symbol sheet inside the cover, then turn the cover upside down and attach it to the button head. A click sound indicates that it has been snapped into place securely. Please refer to the image at the bottom left corner of the video for the wiring concept. This button adopts a self-locking switching mode. When the button is pressed, the switch locks, the lock indicator light turns on, and the device starts. When the button is pressed again, it returns to its original position, the indicator light goes off, and the device shuts down. The button has an IP67 waterproof rating, and its tail is designed with glue application to ensure tight waterproofing. It can still be used normally in humid and water-rich environments.